One last question. Elliot.
I'd love to pick your brain about like the ethics of agentic AI.
Yes.
Like in this example, we're talking about restaurants and stuff. Like for instance, you could imagine what is the end goal, right? Like replacing a waiter or waitress. So I think from that perspective, also from the other perspective, I wonder about like right now we're kind of at this interesting point where a lot of like agentic AI is mimicking like expert knowledge or like jobs that we have a database, humans like still working on right now, right? So say in 20 years, if we've replaced waiters, or if we've replaced chefs and whatnot, and we have a bunch of youngsters, programming AI, right? Like, how will they even know, you have to ask how they want their meat prepared. You have to ask about food allergies, all these different things.
Mm-hmm.
How does that, I guess, I'm very influenced by like stuff, but how does that not replace a lot of important human jobs and also human knowledge that's making agentic AI right now so good?
Yeah, it's a fantastic point. And like our knowledge as humanity is getting contaminated. It's happening right now. There is so much so-called truth out there that is so-called human written or even human reviewed since the last 2 years or whatever. It is exponentially growing where it is not actually human reviewed, and it's to a decent extent AI slop, right? And we're perceiving it as truth. So to your analogy, it could be that 20 years from now, there's like very weird knowledge about the practices of waiting in a restaurant that become part of the jargon, right? I think, personally, education is step number 1, right? Which is what you're helping do. And a lot of influential people are pointing this out, that we're generating a lot of falsehood as ground truth out in the world. And to your other point about humans even not knowing that stuff anymore because we're automating so much stuff, so no one's gonna know that you're supposed to ask for allergies, etc. I don't know what is gonna happen because we keep baking all of our understanding into agents, and technically the agent prompts and agent code, etc., can teach it back to us years down the line. But the more it gets obfuscated, our future generations are not going to know that knowledge. Maybe they'll know something else that is a proxy and works, or maybe we're all going to suffer. I don't know. Yeah, good question. And yeah, AI ethics should be an even larger part of this course, for example. So we'll do multi-agents next week, but maybe what we'll do is add a clause for the demo day where anyone who's presenting does also at least a tiny bit of exploration in their presentation about the ethical implications of their work. That'd be a nice touch. Great point.